It is true we have a vacuum in leadership, and we also have a very big gap between the political class and the people that we are leading. And we want to ensure that we eliminate that gap by having this conversation. We want to ask our leaders to come down and listen to the people. And we also want to ask our people to approach their leaders in a dignified way, in a structured way, whereby we can now get benefits out of this engagement. So we are saying that to bridge that gap, we have decided as young generation leaders to bring together the people of Mulembe Nation from all walks of life, different cadres of leaders, pastors, farmers, students, Mulembe Gen Zs, to come together and have a talk. There is nothing wrong with people talking to each other. We've invited every leader, be it elected leader, nominated leader, all leaders who hold offices in trust of the people of Mulembe are invited here. We have invited even our elder brothers, Honorable Moses Masika Wetangula, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, because they are our leaders. We've told them this is a meeting for your people. So you cannot be leading people and you're running away from people. So I've talked personally to them and asked them to attend this meeting so that they can come and listen to their people. It will be a very, very, very good gesture if they came and listened to their people, because you cannot lead your people from Nairobi. You cannot be saying and making decisions in Nairobi, and yet you've never come back to talk to your people and listen to your people. And therefore, we are beseeching upon the senior politicians of Mulembe Nation. This is not a meeting to divide you. We are not isolating any person. You will still remain to be our leaders, but you must come down and listen to what the people want, not what your individualistic egos are pushing you to do.